Good day, Mommy Sir. I'm Nebeli Sarcidillo, 41 years old. I have two sons. My working experience is almost 6 years. 2 years in Philippines, 2008-2010 with the newborn, and Saudi, 2014-2016, the toddlers and the elderly. And now in Malaysia, 2022-2024. This coming October is my finished contract of 2 years. My duties here is taking care the two cute baby girl, 5 years old and 4 years old. Then I'm cleaning the house, cooking, especially cooking, and cleaning the house, car wash. Yeah. That's why now I applying again as domestic helper because this coming October is my finished contract. If you choose me as New Year helper, I give my best to follow your rules and regulation in your house. Thank you, Mom and Sir, and take care and God bless. Thank you.